Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea and this is Español con Andrea. This is our third lesson, so if you haven't watched the first lesson or the second lesson, please make sure to watch those first before watching this one. Now, today we are going to be diving into basically the alphabet in Spanish. And also, we're going to be learning some vocabulary related to the classroom. Okay, so let's begin. First things first. Again, this is what we're going to be studying. El alfabeto y las cosas de la clase. Empezamos por el alfabeto. Remember that if you want to take private lessons with me, private Spanish lessons with me, there is a link in the description box and you can contact me if you wish. Now, let's start. I want you to listen and repeat after me, okay? Let's begin. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, B. This we would call it B corta o V. Okay? W o W o W. X, Y o Y, Z. Okay. Now let's continue. Now let's dive into like things that can be found in a classroom, but I'm pretty sure that you have them at home as well. So let's begin. And with this, I want to clarify that some of these things really depend on, the name of these things really depend on where you are from, because some of these things may have a name, a certain name, like let's say in Argentina and Uruguay, but they change if you are in Mexico or if you're in Peru or if you're in Spain. So make sure to, if you are planning on traveling to any of these countries, make sure to do a bit of research as to and find out exactly how what these things are called in that specific country or in that specific region. Now let's begin. So lápiz, lapicera, lápices de colores, cuaderno, tijeras, calculadora, regla, mochila, escritorio, silla, libro, pizarra, pizarrón, computadora, laptop, notebook, notebook, con E, ventana, puerta, and that's it. So if you happen to have any questions or if you would like to know how the name of a certain object, please make sure to leave in the comments down below. And don't forget to watch my previous videos and watch the one that follows this one. So thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.